Protect your Windows 11 system with ease. In the next 10 seconds, discover 2 quick methods to create a system image, ensuring your data's safety and seamless recovery. Click the magnifying glass to start the search function, then type Control Panel and select the app from the results list. Now click on Backup and Restore. In Backup and Restore, click on Create a System Image in the left pane. Now select the backup location and click on Next. If you don't have another drive installed, you will need an external media connected like a USB stick or drive. A list of drives that you can back up will appear. Uncheck the drives you don't want to back up and click Next to proceed. First, ensure that the backup media can handle the backup size. Then click on Start Backup to initiate the backup process. This might take a while, so be patient. Once the process is done, click on Close. Optional, click Yes to create a system repair disk in case you don't have Windows 11 bootable media, or if you can't access advanced boot settings. To complete this process, you'll need an empty flash drive. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. Navigate to System and then scroll down to the Recovery section. In the Advanced Startup section, click on Restart Now. When the PC restarts, select Troubleshoot. Now select Advanced Options. Click on See More Recovery Options. Select System Image Recovery. Now choose your system image and click on Next. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the process. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.